All right, guys. Today we're going to be covering ranking and renting another site on Google. So this is actually the third site that I'm going to be doing right now. I'm ranking and renting two sites. A computer repair site that's ranking number 3, and an iPhone repair site that's ranking number 1. And I'll show you the Venmo transactions I actually just got today. Oh gosh, where is it? But yeah, on the computer repair, I'm making like $30 per lead, and on the iPhone repair, I'm making about $10 per lead. So it's pretty cool. You'll see right here, I'm at like, you can't really see it. It says 260, but I just got 260, $60 just from 2 leads I sent to somebody. From the business. So it's just reoccurring revenue that just keeps coming in. Also, if you guys are interested in doing this, let me know. Contact me at my website, and I'm actually taking people through this stuff on their own on the VIP group that I have right here. So if you want to become a part of this, it's only $100 a month, and I'm teaching people how to do this stuff with all the different videos I'm doing in here, and also I'm going to be helping you guys with your sites doing this in a really streamlined way. So either way, let me cancel out of here. So what we're actually working on right now is I already got this verified from a while ago. How I did this is I hit up somebody on Craigslist. I found them in the city that I'm trying to rank. And I said, hey, do you want to work? Get some computer leads. I wound up sending them like, I don't know, a good amount of leads through search engine marketing, probably like maybe like 10 or 20. Made some money off the referrals from search engine marketing, but also at the same time got the address approved, but then changed it to a service area. So now I'm just sitting here with this verified listing as a service area, and the person's no longer working for me, but now I still have this verified listing that I can use to rank and rent to anybody. So you can do it different ways. You can go try to find somebody like a friend who lives in a certain area, try to ask if you can get their address and send a verification, just tell them that they're not going to show up on the map. Really up to you, but yeah. So right now, this is pretty much a brand new listing. Well, it's not brand new. It just doesn't really have much on it. We just have the normal 9 to 5 hours. Right now, this phone isn't actually the phone we want to have this go to. So for the citations on this, what we're probably going to do is do like a call forwarding number for this for the moment. So what we'll do for that is we'll go to call tracking metrics. We'll log in. We'll go to one of our existing accounts. And sorry, this is the acupuncture site. But I actually removed this. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go to numbers, by numbers. We're going to get a new number. I'm going to reactivate the account. By numbers. And so let me make sure I don't have any in here right now. Yeah, I don't. So for this, what I'll do is I'll buy a physical number. So I'll go 805. That's the area code we're going for. We'll see if we can find anyone in that actual area. We'll just actually, we'll do near San Luis Obispo, see if we can get one. Oh, I guess that's not working. 805. Maybe we can put in the address. There we go. Looks like this is a Thousand Oaks number, but still will work. 590-2054. That looks good. Only $250 a month for this number. We're going to purchase it and configure it, and we're going to move on to setting it up. So what I'm going to do for now is I'm just going to have it forward to my phone until we get somebody else that wants to buy these leads. So I'm going to go to print, meaning that it's not going to be tracked on a website. And the receiving number is going to be my phone number. And the target number is going to be non-existent because it's not going on a website. So we'll just do save and continue. Press OK. Call recordings enabled. We're going to go back to our numbers and find that number. We're going to give it a call and make sure that it is forwarding. So we'll go like that. Go like this. Oh, I don't have any phones on me. I don't know how I'm going to call it. My Skype's also not working. Let's see if I can call it with my own phone and see what happens. Might just do a loop. I don't know. 805-590-2054. KJ says, another live video. You're a beast, man.
Has been provisioned for SP acupuncture. To complete the setup of your number, set both a receiving number and a tracking source.
Okay, so apparently with the print, you have to set a tracking source too, which is really odd because you would think that that's not how it would work. So I'm going to go back to tracking numbers, and I'm going to do one that doesn't have to have a target number. So I'm just going to do, let's see, maybe email will do it. I don't think you're supposed to have an actual source for that, so I don't know why it's saying that. Let me try it again. 805-590-2054.
This number has been provisioned for.
Weird. So I don't know why it's doing that when it's not supposed to be. Dial number is 453. We'll go back to numbers. Yeah, this is weird because it's never happened like this before. I don't know why it's telling me that the so the calls are going through and they are being tracked. So for some reason it's just saying it has to have a target number. So I guess I'll just put a target number and see what happens. So we'll go tracking numbers, go here, and for the target number I'll just put the same as that. If I can find it, target, there it is. Boom. Oh, maybe 805-53. Yeah, something's weird going on with this. Well, we'll just keep it like that for now. We can fix it in a second. It will work. I just don't know what the heck's going on right now. Either way, so what you do is once you get that phone number put into there, which we're going to do, you're going to want to add your photos. And since we don't actually have any photos of the location, what we're going to have to do is just look up the location on Google Maps. So I found this location right here. So I'm just going to start taking snapshots of it. So I'll go to my tool, grab this. Whoops, sorry, we don't want that arrow in there. Like that. Save that with the correct file URLs. So we're going to create a new folder and say San Luis Obispo computer repair. And we're going to go in there and say outside of office.png. We actually probably want to say that as a JPEG so we can edit the XF data, but I don't really want to do that, so I'm actually probably going to skip that part. So I'll do another image. So you probably want about 3 exterior, 3 exterior, 3 interior, and then some extra photos on the side for the services you offer, which you can get off of Pixabay. So we'll say front of building. This is really just to explain to Google what to show when people are going to be looking this stuff up. See if we can go over there, over here. People are waving at the Google camera. So I'll go over here, get one from this angle. Go like this. There's also some other keywords you can put in here as well, like view of parking, view of street. So we're going to probably put those as well. So we're going to do view of street plus office or plus business. So I put different semantic keywords, not just office. I put business. I put whatever else is, you know, related to the main keyword. So I'm going to also do view of street, which is basically the same thing except just this shot. Except we don't want those arrows in there. So we're going to say view street, parking, and street parking, we'll say. And then that's pretty much it. I mean, I like to have as many exteriors of photos as possible, so why not just keep going? I'm going to say front entrance as well, because why not? I'll just have another picture like that. Whoops. Get that square out of there. So we'll go like this. Save front entrance. And maybe we'll do one more and say behind building. Oh gosh. No, I think that's good. So now we want interior photos, but we don't have interior photos. So what are we going to do? We're just going to say that the different things that we're working on are the places inside the building. So we're going to go Pixabay. Actually, we got to go on this on Internet Explorer. Inside table with phone. So all of these look not legit, so we're just gonna do broken computers. Broken. We'll try electronics. Doesn't have to be broken, I guess. So we'll just do a picture of this. We'll get another one of a CPU. 4. Grab another one of, say, this keyboard. So these aren't technically inside views of a building. We could just say plants inside building or something. But realistically, having a bunch of images is really going to be helpful for the ranking to show up, because then you get way more trust when you have actual pictures showing different things, because a lot of people don't fill that out. Working. So maybe Pixabay is not the right place to do it. I mean, these are good images. We'll definitely keep these. Save. Make sure that they go in that file. They'll be there. But it would be nice if we had some working on computer photos. We'll go like that. Go to images, go to settings, search settings, and we'll say, oh gosh, where is it? Hold on. We're going to find settings, search settings. We want the search where it's not going to be tools, I think, actually. Usage rights, labeled for non-commercial, labeled for reuse. There we go. So we'll just do things that look like it's inside of a building with a computer, which I didn't think it'd be this hard to find. You would think it'd be a lot easier. Working on broken computer. This is good. Also, if you guys could hit the like button, that'd be really helpful for me to reach more people. Okay, desktop. We're gonna go back to that one. Where was it? There it is. Save. Get some more going here. Broken hard drive. That's good. We can use that as an inside picture. Oops, I forgot to name it. Broken hard drive. I'm gonna name that other one. Let's see what else we got here. Okay. Just got to get a few more going here. Get that one. old PC. We'll look at like broken laptop or something. I ideally want to go for like more like not as professional photos. We don't want them to look like stock photos. We want to look like things that we actually worked on. Photo, what was this? I don't know what that was. That was like we'll just say broken laptop. Aaron loves Chase. Thanks, man. Get that one. Broken screen. I'm really not kidding you guys. Like, you should get all of these different pictures, because why not? You can put them all in there. Google lets you. And Google even shows you like the comparison of how many images you have in comparison to other people, because it wants you to upload more photos so it can get a better idea of what you do. And people can see more stuff about you, which makes you look more legit. Old laptop. That's not an old laptop. Oh gosh. That was definitely not a laptop. We'll just say fried motherboard. All right, that's probably good for now. So what we'll do is we'll go back here, go to photos, start uploading all these. So we'll do add. These are the outside pictures that we got. Press open. Sorry, that was interior, sorry. Gosh darn it. Gosh darn it. That's not supposed to be interior. So we're gonna delete those. Delete. 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 And delete. Exterior photos is the one we want to go for with that one. So we'll go boom, 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 boom. Make sure you keep those too. Like I said though, we can do geotagging like in these. We can go to properties, details. If they were JPEG, sorry, I forgot to say them as JPEG, but I didn't really care. And actually add more info about them. But I don't really think that's absolutely necessary. Hashtag hell indirect subscribe my channel. All right then. I'm gonna change this. Computer no longer works. These are gonna be the interior photos. Because technically these photos were taken inside. Open. Next, we're going to do photos at work, team photos, and additional photos. So for team photos, I'm going to do a bunch of pictures of me off of Facebook for now until we can get somebody. So I'll just grab this picture. Whoops. Oops. What the heck? This picture. Save. Chase Reiner, Computer Tech. Go next. Chase Tech in San Luis. We're not going to do that one because that's not very professional. We're not going to do that one because that one's everywhere. That one's a little lame. I'll do that one too. I mean, these should be way more professional, but that's what I got for now. Chase with friends, or chase with client. So we'll do that for now. Go to photos at work. Grab those. Boom, boom, boom. Whoops. Why did they duplicate? Boom, boom, boom. Photos at work. Sorry, that's not photos at work. I want that as team photos. Boom, boom, boom. Now we need additional photos in photos at work. So photos at work are working on computer, or we'll say replacing screen on computer. We'll go to images, go back to filters by usage rights, labeled for reuse. we'll just say, definitely not that one. Let's see, I'm just trying to find some good images. Just go back to broken laptop and just get some more from there. Oh gosh. Oops, sorry, I forgot to put labeled for reuse. Okay, there it is. We'll say that's a good one. Fixing laptop on that one. And we just have to find related ones. Actually, no. Replacing, whoops, replacing screen. And then we'll say replacing keyboard. And then for the additional photos, we'll just put like some logos and stuff I have for it. So we'll go there, boom. And I don't remember which ones were which. We'll sort by date, boom, boom. Thought I had one more. Guess not. I don't remember where that other one went. Did I get that one? Trying to find it. Let's refresh, see what we got. Oops, sorry, wrong section. Delete this one. Okay, those aren't supposed to be both, so delete these ones. Add photos, choose, boom, boom. Gotta get a couple more. Just say this one. Working on broken Windows. A lot of people say that you should do geotagging, but I rank businesses fine without doing geotagging, so I don't really care. It probably does help, but I just don't do it because it takes too much time. This one. Replacing screen. Since that other one didn't work, I don't think, did it? Try it now. Boom, boom, boom. Chase the man, the myth, the legend. Alright, looks like it went through. And then additional photos. I'll just go to my computer, and I think I have some extra pictures on here. Pictures for advertising. Just random stuff. Where is it? Let's see. Let's see where I put this stuff. So much stuff. Here we go. Nope, that wasn't it. It was in here. So we're just gonna do there, there, whoops. There. Actually, that one's already on another listing. We'll just do those. Why not? Cool. I think some of them went through. I don't know if all of them went through, but I think some of them went through. So those went through. Okay, so that's a good start. That's better than what we had before. So next, you'll see I changed the name to Exact Match, Computer Repair San Luis Obispo. Now the problem is we don't have any reviews. So we got to start getting reviews. We have to have at least 5 stars to start getting aggregate rating in the maps. So if we look at computer repair San Luis, we'll see where we're at right now. So of course we're not really showing up yet. So we'll go to more. And I'm not even ranking on the map. So let's double check another variation of that really quick. Again, San Luis Obispo computer repair. So what's probably happening is that because I just recently made that change, it's re-indexing. So there it is, computer repair San Luis Obispo. So what is this? So that's the other people who are ranking. So the good news is I think we're pretty close to the center of San Luis. So what we're going to do is, like I said, we need to start generating reviews. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab the review link for this. Sorry, that's not what I wanted. I wanted keyword Plepper. KJ says, will geotagging or photos Google then uploading make a difference? A lot of people say it does, but I don't use it just because I don't like spending the time doing it. If you have somebody who can do it for you, then yeah, do it. But I don't want to spend the time to do it. Or if you want to do it yourself. Because I can rank these businesses without doing it. So I'm going to start typing in the name, computer repair San Luis. Sometimes this doesn't autocomplete, which is really annoying. Computer repair San Luis a bit. Nope. So what I'll do is I'll just go and get the link. Go copy, paste, go into more places. Or sorry, I have to put the name, reliable. Boom. There it is. Grab that. We're going to right click on it or zoom in. I think if we zoom in and right click on it, we can get it. Weird. So we'll just copy that, see if we can get it that way. Boom. Make sure it doesn't say best business ever. There it is. Let's test the short URL, make sure it works. Open in a new browser. I don't know why the short URL is not going up. I've been having some problems with Plepper lately. I don't know why. It seems like it's just kind of really wigging out lately. Try that one. Let's try reliable computer repair San Luis Obispo. I wonder if my reliable computer repair one is taking over this one, since they're very similar. So it's showing up with the computer repair for Santa Barbara, which isn't the one we want. We want it for San Luis. So let's try this. Copy this, go back, go here. This time we're going to select it and copy again, and then try it one more time with that new variation. Hopefully it works this time. Be really frustrating if it didn't. I got a question saying, what call tracking service do you recommend? And I use call tracking metrics, which is what we're going to be using on this. If the link ever works. So now it's opening in Now it's opening in Reliable Computer Repair Santa Barbara, which is my other location, but you'll see the search query up here says San Luis. So I don't know why it's doing that, but it's also showing up right there. That's the organic listing for that. So I don't know what to do in that situation. Oh gosh. So I guess we'll skip that for now. What we're going to want to actually do next is, I mean, we don't have to get the reviews right away. It's going to be helpful, but I can do that off of this. I mean, without doing it right here, because there's a couple other things we're going to want to do. So the next thing that you want to do is make sure that the Google business listing is actually linking to the part on your site that you want to try to rank. So we're trying to rank this URL. So we want to make sure that we're doing on-page SEO for this URL. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into here. We're going to log in. Let me go to WP Admin. I'm going to go to pages, or sorry, I'm going to just go back to that page. So that way I don't have to filter through all these pages. I'm going to edit page. And what I'm going to do is, besides the on-site SEO, which I can actually see how many impressions this is getting, because I can re-optimize this post if I wanted to, by going to Search Console, Reliable Computer Help, and then go to the actual rankings for that page. So I'll go to pages, and then I'll find the San Luis page right there. And you'll see in the last 28 days, it got 6 clicks for San Luis Computer Repair with a 6% click through, which is really high. And it's probably because of the aggregate rating I have on there, which I don't know if it's still showing up or not. Let's try San Luis Obispo. There it is. So the title tag's well optimized because you know people are clicking on that, but the aggregate rating got dropped off for some reason. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to SEO Profiler, and we're going to create some new aggregate rating for this, some new schema markup for this page. So what we'll do for that, so we'll go to SEO Profiler, go to page optimization, or not page optimization, we go to, what was it? Hold on. Maybe web analytics. We were just looking at it a second ago. Keywords, no. Page optimization, no. Yeah, rich snippet creator. So we go here. We pick local business. We're going to pick computer repair or service. Let's try to find professional service. So professional service, and we want to find computer repair somewhere around here. If we can find it. Might just be professional service instead if we can't find it. Mobile phone store. No, it's not a computer store. It's supposed to be a computer repair service, but I guess we don't have an actual category for that for some reason on here. I know there is on there's Moving Company right there. I know there is on Schema app, but on here I guess it's not as elaborate. Okay, so that's fine. We'll just do professional service. Like that. Name, we'll do computer repair, San Luis Obispo. We'll do the URL, which is the URL of that page. Wherever we put it, there it is. Boom. Logo for that, we'll just put the site logo. Which is, whoops, right here. So we'll just right click that, copy image address, put that there. Image, so I don't know what the difference, oh, to an image of the business. So image of the business, we'll do that outside photo that we had, which we should probably upload first because I don't think it'll pull from the Google image. It might. We could try it, we'll try it. So we'll do this. Copy image address. I don't think that'll go. Oh gosh, yeah, we're gonna have to upload that. So what we'll do is we'll just go to the website. We'll go to media and upload it really quick, just to make sure that we don't lose it. Add new, select desktop, get the images off of the computer repair, and we'll just use that one. I think it went through, so if we go back to library, looks like it's there. We'll just copy the image URL. There it is. And then we'll plug it in there. Description, we'll just pull from the description of the actual page. So we'll go back to that URL. And then we'll just do this. We'll just pull this. Except we don't want the actual data points like that. We just want to, we don't want a list. We actually just want the commas. So we'll do boom, like that. Has experience with and of course you can have some, you can outsource all of this content to somebody too. Also, when you hire somebody, you can have them help write the content for you just by asking for their resume, which you can just use that for content. And this is without even doing link silos yet in the actual website. Like this is all just basic on-page SEO on literally just one page. So like this is the minimal effort like required. I mean, if we wanted to do it right, we'd probably even want to set up a separate website, but I'm gonna try to do this without doing that. So grab that, put it in there, change for San Luis, because I think that actually says Santa Barbara in there. Well, that image does, so it's fine. Next, we're going to put that address, even though I think it's going to be in JSON LD, so it won't actually show. But even if it does, no big deal, because I don't think anybody actually lives there anymore. So let's go to here, grab that address again. I'll use Search Console to make schema, because I don't want to use their tool, that doesn't really work very well. So we'll grab that address, boom. And you don't have to put the address. You can make it so that it's not without the address. Address, boom. And we'll take out the number A and just put this. California. And then if we can get the longitude and latitude, and in order to get that, what you do is you actually just go to, let's see if we can find it. Yeah, TMD, this is, or TMID, this is going to be uploaded. So this is a live stream, but it'll be saved. There it is. So normally, if it's not being weird, you can actually right click this and you can get the latitude and longitude of this. But because we can't do that, we're not going to be able to do that. So what we have to do is go to Google Maps. Okay, so first I think we might be able to do it through this, google.com/maps. Try it this way. So allow, boom, boom, see if we can search it through there. No, we'll try computer repair, San Luis Obispo. See if we can find it through the map, which for some reason we can't find it through there either. Because that way we can just do what's here and it'll give it to us. I wonder if we can do RCH. There's the Santa Barbara one. There's the San Luis. There it is. Okay, so now that we found it, let's see if Google Maps let us do it this way. Yes, sweet. So now we do what's here. We got the latitude, longitude, and latitude now. We can grab that. And we'll do longitude, latitude. I think that's right? Longitude. Is longitude first or is it second? Is latitude the negative? Positive latitude, negative latitude is below the equator. So I think that's right. I think that's right. That's the longitude, that's the latitude. Right? 30, longitude, latitude. Yeah, I think that's right. Okay, so include map. What we're going to do for that is we're going to grab the actual link by, I think, clicking on this. There it is. Right? It says right here how to do it. You just go to Google Maps, you should click on the share icon, copy the URL. There it is. Okay, so we got that. We're going to put the business hours, which are the same on the map, which is 9 to 5. 9 to 5. We'll just do all of these. 9. If there's any errors, Google will tell us in the structured data testing tool. 5, 9, 5, 9, 5, 9, 5. Whoops. 9, 5, 9, 5. Oh shoot, that's 5 a.m. What's 5 p.m. in Army time? Gosh darn it. 5 p.m. Army time. That is... Okay, right here. 17. So we'll do 17, 17, 17, 17, 17, 17. You guys haven't hit the like button, please do that. All right, next. What we got is the telephone and then the contact type, I believe, which is customer service, technical support. I think it's gonna be customer service, so we'll put that. I think it's all undercase, is it? Customer service, yeah. And then the phone number, which we're gonna, I guess, put as this phone number for now. And then we're gonna put our rating, which we'll just take from this listing, which is 5 stars based on 34 reviews. And then we'll just press enter the URL that contains the HTML or preview the page. So that's all of the code and it's all in JSON LD. So you're going to copy this in the actual heading tag of that page, which I'm wondering if you can do on a page by page basis, because normally you have to do it on every single page when you post into the put your schema in your headers. So trying to figure out if I can put in header content. I think that'll work. Let's see if that'll work. Save, update. And this really depends on your theme. I don't know how you would do it without this theme, if this does work. So open link. I think it went through. So what we'll do is we'll grab that and we will go to the structured data testing tool. Paste in the link. Don't see it. So let's go back and see what happened. Let's try to refresh it first of all. Let's see if we get any of that schema. So there's the breadcrumbs. Whoops, where'd that go? So let's try professional. There it is, right there. But I don't think it actually went before the end head tag. So I think this actually went in the footer. It's frustrating. So yeah, I mean the code went in, but it didn't go into the right spot. So I'm gonna grab that, save. I'm wondering how to put code in before head in individual pages. This is more of like a design aspect. Gosh, what is... Okay, how can I add code to the header footer of my HTML pages? How to add code to individual pages in head tags. Per page, add to head, WordPress plugins. So here we go. So we'll just download that. That works for me. And we'll go to plugins. Actually, I'm probably going to want to check out this plugin before we use it just to make sure it's not hacked. So we'll go plugins, add new. We're going to type in, what was it? Per page add. Per page add to head. So yeah, that looks good. Looks like a lot of people use it, so that's cool. So that's installed. We're going to activate it. Go to settings, I assume. There it is. Everything you'll need to be right there. That's the head code we want. And we want it on a specific page, not on all pages. Which looks like it's on every page still. Gosh darn it. So in these cases, you might have to make microdata. I don't know. I mean, it would be nice if you could choose which URL you want to add code to for your head tag. So that's probably something I'm actually going to have to figure out. I think this is Drupal. But I'm sure there's a plugin for it if I look for it, and if I do find it, I'll leave it in the description. So other than that, what we're going to want to do is get citations as well. So so for that, what I'm probably going to do is get citations from that resource I have at Fiverr, which is going to build all generic citations. And then what I'll do is I'll get another, I'll probably maybe get Whitespark or somebody else who does hyper-local citations and get them to build those. This looks like it might work. Easy add site-wide and or article-specific custom code before the head by hooking up WP head footer. Let's see if that works. So we'll go to settings, see if we have it. I think it might actually be in the page now, so we're going to refresh this. I don't know if it's going to be loaded in here now. Here it is. Boom. Let's make sure that other one isn't still there. It is. Let's get rid of that. Update. And we're going to refresh. View page source. See if it came through. There's the breadcrumb list. And there's the professional service. Bada bing, bada boom. I'm going to grab that. Go back to the structured data testing tool, make sure everything checks out, and make sure that went through. Oops, sorry, I didn't view source. Get rid of that. There it is, one error, so we want to fix that. The value provided for the phone must be a valid phone number, so I know why that's not working, because it's supposed to be a 1 in front of that. So let's add that phone number correctly. So we'll go back into here, go to there, go to the phone number and do 1. What was the other problem? Price range not specified. And these are actually just recommendations. You don't have to have those. But these are, like, when you see X's, those are things that you really want to make sure you have. So for the price range, I don't know how to actually go in there and edit that as well. You'll see some of these tools actually enable you to do price range, and some of them don't. The cool thing about price range is you actually get a price range snippet underneath as well. I'm probably just going to skip that because I don't want to have to figure out the code for that right now. So let's just try to update that and see if it took away the major error. So we'll do, where'd it go? Where'd it go? I have way too many tabs open. I just had it. Okay, well, I guess I have to go back to that page. So we'll go back to San Luis, go to here, do an edit. And of course we want to fix these pages too because they look totally cheesy. But I'm assuming most of our phone calls in the beginning are going to be coming through the map anyways. So let's go back to there and do that. And the reason why I chose this location is because there isn't much competition, so you don't have to do as much to rank. So like in other areas, you're going to want to do like huge thing, like amazing things like create huge link silos, get hyperlocal citation or links built as well. But a lot of that stuff you can do to this location without you needing to do a lot of that stuff and still rank because the competition's so low because nobody's doing SEO in this area. So you just find low-hanging fruit and then once you get the low-hanging fruit like identified, it's pretty easy to rank if you know what you're doing. You don't have to do as many things as you would normally do in a place that's really, really competitive. Just trying one more time to see if I can get that review link going. Oh, I think I got it. Did I get it? It's starting to show up now. At least it's starting to show up. Oh, it's showing computer reliable. Well, it's showing up number 1 for that. I think once the review or the pictures start populating that and Google picks those up, that's when it's gonna be a lot easier to do this. It's just that because it's so under optimized right now, it's not showing up for anything. Just try to copy that URL one more time. Still nothing. All right, well, I'll figure that out later. So yeah, I'm gonna probably build those or those citations first. the schema I think is good. Let me just double check that one more time. Oh, actually, sorry, you're supposed to put a +1 in front of it. That's why. Let me go back there. So that's the other problem with the new Possum update. It used to be easier to rank on the same website. Now it's better to create separate websites so you look like separate entities, so you don't get your listing not indexed or not being able to show up on Google because of that Possum update. Where was it? Is that a virtual office? No, it's actually somebody's house that was working for me over here when I was first started ranking and renting in this location. So let me put that +1 in front of there, and I think that'll fix it. Boom. Yeah, I had to have that +1. And then we can add that other stuff later, not that big of a deal. So yeah, I'll probably just reindex that page. And like I said, that page is already getting clicks. So that's probably what I'll do for now. And then just start driving reviews to it. Hope this was helpful for you guys. I will be keeping you guys updated on the progress on this. And if you haven't already, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't checked out our Facebook group, make sure you head over there and leave any of your questions, and I'll definitely make sure to answer those. And I'll leave that in the description as well. So until next time, guys, happy SEOing, and good luck out there.